Hello, welcome to today's lesson. This is your first lesson on Pinyin. First of all, what is Pinyin? Literally, Pinyin means to spell the sounds. So it is a pronunciation system that transcribes Chinese characters by using Roman alphabet. The only letter that is not used in Pinyin is letter V. Pinyin was developed in the 1950s by a panel of Chinese linguists. Today, you can easily convert Pinyin into characters when you use a computer to write any text in Chinese. A very good command of Pinyin and Chinese tones can eventually help you achieve a native-like accent. So it is extremely important to learn to pronounce Chinese correctly from the very beginning. Frequently, this means you have to consciously tell yourself that some sounds represented by certain letters must be pronounced differently from the way you would pronounce them in English. The word Pinyin, spelled as P-I-N-Y-I-N, is a case in point. It is pronounced Pinyin, not Pian and In, because I-N in Chinese is pronounced In. Now, please repeat after me. Pinyin, Pinyin. Very good. Today, I am going to introduce 5 consonants and 3 vowels. Consonants are called initials and vowels are called finals. The reason there are 4 empty cells is because the combination that could be there do not represent any actual characters. Look at this table and let's see how each of the vowels is pronounced. Now let's use the first tone for practice. Ah, ah. Open your mouth wide and please repeat. Ah, ah. Good. Now close your mouth a little bit and say oh. Repeat oh, oh. Next is letter E, and it is pronounced So let's take a look at H-E. How should it be pronounced? That's right. It is pronounced H, not he, like you would pronounce H-E in English. Now repeat after me. When the Pinyin spelling corresponds to the spelling of an English word, you should be particularly careful and make sure you are pronouncing the sound in Chinese, not in English. Next, we will quickly look at the 5 consonants. I want you to pay special attention to B-O, P-O, and M-O. Although you just learned that letter O is pronounced O, after B, P, M, you should add a wu sound in front of O. So you should not say bo, po, mo, but should say bo, po, mo. Repeat after me. Bo, po, mo. One more time. Bo, po, mo. Also, I want you to pay attention to the pronunciation of H. There should be air coming out from your mouth when you pronounce H. Let's try these 2 in first tone. Ah, ha. Again, ah, ha. Can you tell the difference? Now that you had your very first lesson on Pinyin, let's try a couple of them to say real words in Chinese. Please say these words. 那么. One more time. 那么. 那么. Very good. 拔河. 拔河. Repeat. 拔河. Remember, do not say 婆婆. It should be 婆婆. Repeat. 婆婆. 婆婆. This concludes your first lesson on Pinyin. Remember, practice makes perfect. I hope you will spend time practicing pronouncing Chinese words in Pinyin until you feel comfortable about it. See you in the next lesson.